Hello, my name is Quindu. Today I will be discussing the environmental controversy topic of oil drilling. Oil drilling not only has an effect on our environment, but on our health as well. Throughout this presentation, I will discuss the definition and issues of oil drilling, the causes, whom it affects, and the solution that can be implemented. Oil drilling is a process of perforating the Earth's surface and rocks layers by deep wells to extract crude oil for energy production. Crude oil is sent to refineries to remove impurities such as sulfur, nitrogen, and metals. Oil is refined to fuel products such as gasoline, kerosene, liquefied petroleum gas, which are propane, distillates, which are diesel and jet fuels, and residuals, which are industrial fuels. With this figure provided by the U.S. Energy Information Administration, we can see that energy consumption is distributed between the sources and sectors. Highlights of this figure show how the demand of energy is an issue for the U.S. About 36% is sourced from petroleum, which is a product of crude oil, and about 40% is used for electrical power and 28% is used for transportation. The process of drilling and extracting oil is intricate and leaves room for errors. The two main processes of oil drilling can occur on land or offshore. On-land drilling sites can cause threats to the environment because oil is transferred through metal pipes. The pipes can erode and cause toxic contamination to leak onto nearby land and water. In 2010, BP Deepwater Horizon unit in the Gulf of Mexico had an explosion offshore. Offshore drilling can be a risk when byproducts are leaked back into the water, causing toxins to be released. Water produced by oil drilling is called produced water. They contain chemicals such as arsenic, mercury, lead that are toxic to humans and animals if consumed. Accumulation of these chemicals can cause chronic health problems like skin rashes and cancer or long-term effects from damaged organs. As we learn in our materials, noise issue is a problem for land drilling. In addition, safety and occupational threats are implied to the workers as they are at risk of fires, explosion, and other hazards. In addition, oil spill not only is a threat for the health and safety of human beings, but for the animal as well. As we can see from the images, birds are incapable to fly when covered with sludge produced from oil. When coming up to breathe, whales are stranded and die from suffocation from oil layers in the water. Marine wildlife can be affected by spills when it hinders them to survive. As we progress with later generations, the demand and the consumption for energy will increase. This will ripple down and affect to increased production of sources. With such, we must transition the high use of energy from oil to alternate sources of renewable energy such as wind, solar, thermal energy, geothermal, hydroelectrical, and biomass. Solar energy provides substantial benefits for our climate, health, and economy. Conservation of energy, such as using public transportation, or limiting the changes in thermostat when heating your home, can be ways that you and the people around you can make changes in. Economic and political changes that occur should include the Oil Pollution Act of 1990 to improvise stricter laws and regulation of oil spills along with disposal of bioproducts of drilling. In addition, more incentives such as tax credits should be given out to citizens uses renewable energy sources in home along with hybrid energy cars and Energy Star products. EPA Cleaning Agriculture is an innovative program to help reduce emission from the older diesel engines currently in use in agriculture. Oil drilling has crucial effects on our environment and health. With all in mind, we must all come together, make changes on use of energies, and continue to make our planet healthy and safety for all. Thank you.